This isn't magic. It's a real science experiment. Place a ping pong ball at the bottom of a funnel and pour water into it. The ball won't float. Add sugar to a cup, then mix detergent with clean water. Blow bubbles that won't burst. Try it out. Add a few drops of paint to vegetable oil, stir it, and pour it into clean water to create a rainbow waterfall that kids love. Spray alcohol into an empty bottle, turn it upside down in a water tray with a lit candle, and you can perform the dragon-sucking water trick. The difference is truly noticeable. Place a magnet on both ends of a battery and add a copper coil. The coil will start to spin. That's how an induction cooker works. Bend memory metal into any shape, then throw it into hot water. It will return to its original shape. Add some iodine to clean water. Put a cut apple in the water and stir it a few times. The water will become clear again. This is a reduction reaction. As shown in the video, cross and stack the coins on the table's edge. Push the coin slowly with your hand and it won't fall. This demonstrates the evil coin pusher principle. Pour expired vegetable oil into a cup, add a little water and a few drops of paint. Add an effervescent tablet and carbon dioxide bubbles will form. It looks like an underwater volcanic eruption. Put a balloon at the bottom of a plastic bottle and it can blow out candles from a distance. Collect smoke to make fun smoke bubbles. Take